my channel. Today we're gonna talk Chanel, boo-boo, and it's an important video because it's been a hot minute since I bought some Chanel, because Chanel prices are insane and the quality keeps going down and my money doesn't grow on trees. It seriously has been a while since I bought anything Chanel, probably a couple of years. I haven't stepped into a Chanel boutique in a while, right? So I have been focusing a lot on buying jewelry, on buying Hermes and really classic pieces. And because of all the controversy with Chanel and the quality, and guys, seriously speaking, Chanel prices are so beyond insane. I need to make more videos kind of like critiquing the Chanel collections and talking about prices of individual pieces, because I post everything on my Instagram because I am just every day in shock. You know, like this last collection, the one I got these items from, there were some items, like there was a plain tank top, plain. I don't remember if it was all black or all white, but like nothing on it, kind of like ribbed knit, okay? Nothing major, not amazing fabrics. And the price, it was like $1,900 for a ribbed knit tank top, okay? And I don't know how you guys are feeling, but with everything going on, with inflation going on, I am being very picky about where I spend my money. And I want to spend my money where there is quality. I want pieces that are gonna last forever, because I don't go out as much as I used to buy all of these trendy, hyped up pieces that are gonna be out of style in 6 months, right? My lifestyle has changed a lot. Therefore, I am really investing in pieces that I feel are 100% worthwhile. So if you want advices on pieces that are actually worth your money, subscribe, boo-boo, because here we talk real talk. So I want to share these last purchases with you because I feel like they were money well spent. So let's start with, I want to show you this item right here. Check this out. And it is a bodysuit. Now all of the items that I'm showing you today I have already worn. I just reboxed them for you because I kind of wanted to give you also my review in terms of how they fit. Are they comfortable? You know, are they practical? And I am telling you, this is technically a bathing suit, okay? It has the Chanel logo right here in crystals, like super cute. And this is the back of the swimsuit. Look how beautiful. Now, I bought this to wear as a bodysuit, not as a swimsuit. If you are a long-time subscriber, you know I'm all about my bodysuits, right? And I still am all of these years later, okay? Because they're practical, they're super flattering. You can wear them with pants, with jeans, with skirt, and you can wear them as swimsuits. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this as a swimsuit because this is really conservative, maybe a little bit grandma for a swimsuit, but you guys know I'm from Brazil, boo-boo, okay? And in Brazil, we like the tiny little bikinis, no matter how old you are, okay? So, you know, we strut our stuff. So this might be too covered for me, even though I am 50 years old, but I'm 50, but I'm not dead. Guys, I wore this already, and here's the dealio. I have purchased Chanel swimsuits many times over the past many years because I love them, and I am telling you, they did not fit very well. I ended up selling probably almost all of them because in the excitement of the moment I think that they're gorgeous, etc., and then over time the fit just wasn't right. Like the cut on the legs, some of them were too tight on the leg. It just, you know, but this, they redid the cut for the swimsuit and this fits like a glove. This is so flattering on your chest, you guys. It keeps everything in place. I mean, it is a swimsuit, so it is supposed to be worn without a bra, right? So I felt like it held my girls in place so good. And then I wore this in Miami with an oversized kind of like boyfriend blazer from the Frankie shop, and it looked amazing, okay? Because you wear this underneath a blazer and then just a little crystal CC's kind of like peek through. Such a vibe, like not too showy and tacky. It's kind of like a tactful flex, if you know what I mean, because you know we are in the world of quiet luxury, even though I'm not quiet luxury at all. But I feel like if you don't like anything really loud, this is perfect for you. And then this is a forever piece, you guys. Now the price, $1,000, which for Chanel is a bargain. Okay, because I just told you, a tank top, a rib knit tank top for Chanel is $2K, okay? So when I asked the price, I wasn't gonna buy this, but when I asked, I was like, it was like $1,050, I think. I was like, okay, this is doable. This is like a super ultra practical piece that I'm gonna wear forever, that's gonna match everything. I'm definitely gonna get my money's worth out of this. Like girl math, guys, $1,000. I am definitely gonna wear this for many years to come. Cost per wear is gonna be totally worth it. And for those of you who are gonna come for me saying $1,000 is not cheap, Erica, well, in the world of Chanel it is, okay? I'm not saying that's not a significant amount of money, but I am saying that for Chanel this is chump change. This is the latest collection, so you have to run to the boutiques to try to locate these, because you know Chanel, everything sells out really fast. But man, if you're gonna buy one piece from this collection, I'm telling you, this is it. Next, we have a pair of sunglasses that, my gosh, if you are looking for a pair of rich bitch sunglasses, they're gonna last you forever and never go out of style, okay? Look at this. This is the new packaging. They used to come in boxes before. Now it's kind of like, I don't know, this quilted leather pouch. I don't think it's leather. It feels like leather, actually, which is fine for me because it occupies less space in the suitcase, right, when you're traveling. So I'm cool with that. And these are the sunglasses. Let me show you up close. So on the side, you have this beautiful gold trim. Look how gorgeous, right? And then here you have the Chanel logo in gold. And then the frame, this frame around, guys, you cannot tell on video. This frame makes the sunglasses so badass, so rich, okay? Let me put it on, because here's the problem. I have a very skinny, pointy face, and most oversized sunglasses look ridiculous on me. And I think if you want to have kind of like a diva look, you gotta have the oversized sunglasses. Do you know what I mean? So check this out. I mean, they're such a vibe. This is not from this like specific collection. This is actually a classic style for Chanel. I'll link it for you below so you know exactly which ones they are. But guys, money well spent. I think this was like $550 or something like that. Again, sunglass prices went up so much, right? I remember when they were luxury sunglasses were like $350. Now they're $500, $600, $700. Like Louis Vuitton sunglasses are $700, $800. Absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, do I look cool? I look like a mob wife. You know, if you're on TikTok, the latest trend is like quiet luxury is out, mob wife is in, and this is like a total mob wife look, and I'm here for it. Because do I look like quiet luxury to you? I mean, I do quiet luxury looks every so often, but I cannot dress like that all the time because it's way too boring. Now, mob wife, now we're talking, boo-boo. And actually, my jewelry today is very mob wife. Check it out. This is from my jewelry brand, Azulik. Guys, I have some beautiful pieces, so many new arrivals on my website. These are made by artisans in small little workshops in Brazil. Like, support small businesses, okay? Look how beautiful this bracelet. This ring is called the Hourglass ring, and then this is called the Aurora ring. It has multicolored crystals. It is so beautiful. And then I have the Amazon necklace on, which to me is a staple on my wardrobe. Super lightweight, 18 karat gold bath, so it is a hefty, high quality gold bath that you're not gonna find everywhere, okay? And then these earrings are like the coolest thing. They're called the Snatch earrings. My daughter doesn't like this name because she's like, Mom, Snatch reminds me of our private part, right? But that wasn't my intention, you know. When I named the earrings Snatched, it was meant to be like, I'm snatched, you know what I mean? Like, I am ripped, I'm looking good. So she wants me to change the name of the earrings. But guys, look at how gorgeous this is. It goes across your entire earlobe. Now, my ears are very droopy, so I cannot put them on my first piercing. For it to reach the inside of my ears, I have to put it on my second piercing, so I put it a little bit higher up. But guys, total vibe, right? Talk about mob wife vibes. Check this out. I mean, I am rocking the vibe. I will put the links for you below as well for the items that I am rocking today. I hope you like my sunglasses because to me they are forever sunglasses. And let's talk about the last item that I want to show to you, which you can tell are shoes. I have been hesitant to purchase Chanel handbags too many horror stories, okay? People sending me photos on Instagram, videos on Instagram, videos on TikTok about Chanel bags falling apart, hardware falling apart, quilted is crooked, the flap on one side is like higher than the other side. I'm scared, you guys. I don't know what to tell you. It's my honest opinion. I think it's really hard nowadays to get influencers that give you honest opinions on luxury, because as soon as you grow and you start being invited to events by these brands and everything else, you kind of stop talking shit about them, because then you build a relationship with them, right? So that's why a lot of times I would rather go to smaller influencers when I look at content, because I think they're a bit more trustworthy. And I'm not throwing shade at anybody. I have friends that are big influencers, and dude, I mean, I understand, right? If that's your hustle, if that's how you make your paycheck, you want to build a relationship with the brand, but then that means you shut your mouth forever. Then start noticing all of the influencers that they will never tell you the truth or say anything negative about certain brands because they work with them, right? So Chanel hasn't called me yet. Maybe the day they invite me for a fashion show, I'll shut my mouth. But that has not happened yet. You can rest assured that my suggestions here are trustworthy suggestions, because they are my hard-earned money, okay? And my silence has not been bought out by Chanel yet. Actually, my goal, I've said this before, right? My goal is to become really, really rich with my own business, making my own money, all my jewelry, so I can continue to be a truthful vlogger, you know, influencer. Because what happens is, if you depend on gigs and collaborations in order to produce content, it's your bread and butter. So you cannot talk shit about anybody because they're paying your bills, right? My dream is that I pay my own bills and I'm really, really wealthy on my own effort, and I can continue to talk the truth because I don't depend on these brands for anything, right? So support my business, buy my jewelry, boo-boo, okay? The styles are beautiful. I'm very picky with the designs. I want things that are modern, that are different, that are stylish. So go check it out and you'll see what I'm talking about. Look at these Chanel shoes that I got. I have worn them already because I wanted to be able to tell you if they are comfortable or not. So if you saw the fashion show for this latest collection, these shoes were everywhere. They have different variations. They have all black, they have white with the black bow, which I tried. I need to release that vlog for you. I know I'm sucking with my editing and releasing content for you guys. I have content on my computer right now ready to roll. It's just a matter of sitting down and editing. It's just been rough, man, because with life, you know what I mean? Between having my full-time job, trying to take care of myself and my health, and trying to work out and creating content, and now running a business, it's so much work, you guys. It becomes a challenge, but I want to do it all, right? And having my business was a huge dream for me, and I just turned 50 years old. I don't have a whole lot of time left, right, to make my dreams come true. So I said, it is now or never. I gotta do it. So that's what I've been hustling on, and that's why I haven't released much content. But I filmed myself trying the items on this collection at Chanel, and I chose to go with the all black instead of the white and black, even though I think the white and black are more beautiful. They're like so classic, so girly. But guys, whenever you buy a piece that is bi-color, it is such a challenge to style. It is so constrictive. Do you know what I mean? I have bi-color Chanel shoes right now that sit in my closet that I haven't worn in years. Too limiting. So I decided to go with the black one, and I'm so happy with my choice. And I wore these in Miami. I put together kind of like more of an edgy outfit with these shoes because my style is a bit more modern and edgy. I wore this with this oversized blazer from Frankie's shop, and then I put the Chanel bodysuit underneath, just like the CC peeking through. And then these shoes, it was like such a Hailey Bieber vibe, and I feel like Hailey Bieber is my style inspiration because the things she wears are the things that I naturally like, and it looked amazing, and I was so comfortable the entire day, both my outfit and my shoes. The heels are not high, so you can walk a mile away in these, guys. And then the bow, it's like elastic right here, so this doesn't press against your feet. It actually molds to your feet. You have to break it in a little bit on the leather around here, right, because it's a bit stiff at first, but I wore it the first time. I put some band-aids on my ankles just in case, because I knew I was gonna be walking around all day long, and that really helped, and now I don't need the band-aids anymore. So again, another fabulous purchase, because you are going to get so much wear out of this. They're never gonna go out of style. Classic, you know, girly Chanel look. And I don't remember the price. I think those were a little more expensive, maybe $1,500, $1,400, something along those lines. But to me, this is such a good purchase. And if you are a girly girl, you can totally style this in a more feminine way, Chanel style. You can put your little tweed sets, right? A skirt in a tweed jacket with this. You're gonna look straight out of a Chanel fashion show with the little pearls, right? I'm just so happy, you know? So I feel like in general, I am being so much more... Why am I still wearing sunglasses, y'all? I forgot about it. I am here rocking sunglasses the whole video, but I feel like in general I have matured so much in my choices for my luxury purchases. I feel like if you watched my channel 4 years ago, I was very much into the hypes. I was buying all the collaborations, all of the crazy items, and I have moved on from that. I think part of the reason is because the world has changed and cost of living is expensive, life is expensive, right? My priorities have changed. Like I said, I don't go out as much, and I just think in general my style has matured. You know, I have, as you get older, you find yourself more, you understand your style better, and I feel like I am in that space now where I'm very secure with who I am. I know exactly what I like, what looks good on me, and when it comes to buying luxury, I am thinking about it. I am not doing impulse buys. I will go home, I'll think about it. Hey, is this a good purchase? Can I get a lot of wear out of it? Is this practical? Can I do this with a lot of looks, different occasions? So I feel like you will see this year with my purchases that I'm on a different vibe. I am feeling good. If I look at the pieces in my closet right now and they look worn, and I have worn them a million times, and I am repeating them a million times, because then that means you made a good decision with your purchases, right? So would love to hear what you think about this new era of Erica's Girly World, but that's where I'm at, and I hope you go check out my beautiful jewelry straight from Brazil with so much love, and I will see you on the next video. I promise you I'm gonna do a better job at adding my flipping videos, so I am releasing at least once a week for you. I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.